Yeah, man. Yardman style. See it there? Breadfruit, yam, salt mackerel rundown, and some Ital ackee. Yeah, that's what I'm cooking for you today. Today we're cooking Jamaican style, straight yardman style. Today we're cooking some roast breadfruit, some roast yam. We're gonna cook up some salt mackerel rundown. Real Jamaican yardman style. So first thing we do is we get some charcoal, and we don't just get that self-light charcoal. We get that real charcoal that you have to light. And you know, we burn our charcoal, let it burn off. We put some wood in there. I like to put some wood in there for that smoky type of vibe. So we do that, and we put our yam to roast. And in my pot, I get some coconut milk. So I opened my coconut, I put it in my blender. I didn't grate the coconut. I just put it in the blender and I extract the juice. What you do is you put some hot water, you extract the juice and put it in my pot, and I'm gonna let that reduce with my seasoning, some scotch bonnet, some scallion, a couple pieces of pumpkin, some tomatoes, some onions, and some bell peppers. We're gonna let that reduce. Then I'm gonna take my cooked salt mackerel. So I'm gonna take my cooked salt mackerel, I'm gonna add that in there, and you know, we're gonna get that vibe. Then I'm gonna do my ackee, and by that time it's done. I must just cook it up yardman style. So this is not a recipe, so to say. I mean, you can catch the vibe, but this is not a recipe, so to say. This is just a freestyle, yardman style cooking. So put you put all the seasoning in there, some garlic, you know, give that a little mix, and you just let that reduce. What's gonna happen? It's gonna reduce down. It's gonna turn a little custardy, a little oily, and that's when you put your salted mackerel. So I'm gonna show you how to clean the salt mackerel. See, it comes with a lot of bones, so you gotta take all those bones out, and you have to see that skin part, you have to take that off. So that's how you clean the mackerel. You take all the bones out and you just clean that other part. Yeah, you see those little bones? Yeah, those are dangerous. Take those out. So that's how you clean the salt mackerel. That's how you catch that vibe. So this is how it looks when it turns the right way. That's how it looks. And you just add your salt mackerel in, give it a little mix, right? Give it a little mix and just leave it and just let it simmer. Yeah, so just leave that and let it simmer. It's a little smoky, but you can see how beautiful, how delicious that looks. Yeah, so just leave that, let it simmer. Then you take it off, and now we're doing our Ital ackee. Yeah, that's how I said. Ital ackee. No meat. No meat in the ackee. It's my Ital ackee. So you cut up your condiments. The only thing, you put a little black pepper, put a little salt, and then you let that cook. As soon as you let that cook, you just get your ackee. Get your ackee and you just dump it in. And then you just let it sit and let it catch that vibe. As soon as it catches that vibe, you'll know when it catches that vibe. Your onion starts to like wither. away. But see, that's my Ital ackee. Yeah, restaurant style. Well, it's Yardman style, but we have to do a little restaurant style. You know, we bring that vibe. So we have our ackee. Breadfruit is almost roasted, and we have our salt mackerel. So now we're gonna peel. I'm gonna show you how the things look when you clean them up, peel up. And so we're gonna peel our breadfruit, peel our yam, and that vibe.